Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high and hip, I'm smoking on this weed. So
I'm back at it, and I'm going to do another round of salsa, merengue, and bachata because I'll be damned. By the end of this year, I'm going to practice all I need to practice, acquire all the skills I need to acquire, and then seeing how this year turns out and this year's going to be good for me, I might fuck around and take those skills to some beach in Cuba or Puerto Rico or Dominican Republic or back to Mallorca. But I'm going to use these skills because I do not look this good getting dressed up and not to sit in the house because I am not Nicki Minaj. And I do not have
Aaliyah's interlude in this bitch. You already know. Aaliyah Court today, tomorrow, yesterday, and
what is going on with Cambridge and Nassau with all these closed storefronts and ways of like this was not the Central Square I knew growing up. Like the Starbucks is closed. This used to be said Starbucks and it used to be packed. I mean, this is fucking Cambridge. It's fucking
forever. Period. The fuck? Bitch, you know I'm sexy. Don't call, just text me. Bitch is slow, can't get on my speed. They stare cause they know I'm the ITGIRL. You know I am that girl. Shh, bitch, don't kiss and tell. Ain't girl from ATL. IIT.
So I didn't want to waste a look, so I decided to go to Boston Comedy Club because the Havana Salsa Club wasn't open tonight, and I don't want to waste a look. And also, deadass, I literally ran for the bus to get here, and it's raining, it's sleet outside, it's a whole fucking mess, and I track started my ass to the motherfucking bus so I can catch that shit. And not only did I catch that shit, bitch, but I did not fall and bust my motherfucking ass. And I wanted to say that shit. Look at me. Look at me. No wet spot, no nothing. And I'm wearing heels, okay? These is what I'm rocking with. And I track started my ass and made sure I had a good time because I will not waste a good look. So my salsa night kind of took a U-turn because the club wasn't open. So then like last minute I was like, let me find something to do because I would hate to ruin a look. Not even ruin a look, waste a look. I didn't want to waste a look. So I ended up going to the Boston Comedy Club in Austin, which is great. Now I gotta go find me some food. That was the point. But this is what it's giving. I would do a masculine.
Bitch, don't kiss and tell. Ain't girl from ATL. IITGIRL. You know I am that girl. Shh, bitch, don't kiss and tell. Ain't girl from ATL. How you mad at me cause I'm cut, bitch? How you mad at me cause I'm run shit? Be mad at yourself cause you ain't done shit. Talking all that shit is redundant. Trendsetter, bitch, don't be acting surprised. Aaliyah called to the moon, wanna see my demise. But I don't give a fuck, bitch, look at my eyes. I'm a star girl, bitch, about to realize that bitch today, tomorrow, and the day after that.
So this is my drink. It's the passionate love affair. We'll see what it's giving, and my bus is like on its way. Like quickly.
Here you go, love, enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome if you need anything.
My good God.
Look at people, you make me wanna jump around the place. I want to bend my waist, jumping up and down, even on the ground, jumping.
get this type of way because I'm dead ass hungry. And this is how much for on a Saturday night. Yes, it's rain as ever. But this is literally a college city. A college hub. It's hub. And it's dead as fuck. Late-stage capitalism got people living to pay rent, and that's it. Tragic. Alrighty, so that concludes my night. It's raining, and there's like 5 types of snow. So, yeah, I got my food. I'm from the chop on. I'm gonna binge on some shows. It's always something to throw. Because everybody's a content creator, because life is lifing, and I'm running too goddamn high. So multiple hustles to get them little paid. This is late-stage capitalism. But, have a good night. Enjoy myself. As a young woman, as a child-free woman, and as an ace, I felt very affirmed. And the comment was interesting. I do not like the fact that folks are trying to bring back retarded, especially as someone who is autistic. I'm not fucking with that. Y'all need to get that. Gen Z, you out your goddamn mind. We're not bringing that stupid shit back. And y'all dumbass, especially crackers, gonna think it's cute, and then you're gonna be playing with nigga, and then you'll be like, oh, I didn't say nigga, I said ninja. I said my N-word. You're gonna try to play in our faces. I'm telling you, we will riverboat your ass again. We will fuck you up again. Stop trying to make spirits cute, especially if you're not the person who has to bear the burden. It's all cute to be called retarded until you're actually labeled as retarded, especially on a eugenics point of view. So, y'all think you're cute, but you're not fucking cute, and we will beat your ass. You want to talk about retarded? We'll beat your ass like retarded shrink, bitch. And that's my review. So, besides me doing what I need to do for my self-care, okay, I've always been an artsy chick, so I got me some colored pencils for the year, and they came with some, obviously I filled that in, like duh, but like they come in with like coloring, you know, pictures and whatnot. I like it because it's funky, and I like it because it's psychedelic, like you fill in the gaps, right? But that's not the point of me, recording this. Why I am recording it is also because I got me some cute ass ace stickers that represent me because I'm ace, so I feel very affirmed. However, I don't know where I'm gonna, utilize these things. It's interesting because I'm one of those people who are like, I like all of these things and I collect them, but then it's like, it's time to use them. And I'm like, do I really want to use it? Because like, what if I put it on something and then like, I wanted to put it on something else, or I don't want to use it, or I want to save it. It's a me thing. So I want something to be in addition to my phone case, because my phone case is butterflies, which is great. And it fits the aesthetic of purple. And I want to kind of signal to my other aces and to the LGBTQIA plus collective, say the I and the A because we matter too. And these are the colors or the stickers that I have selected. Asexual is not interested in your booty. Very, very specific. I am valid in the ace card. I think this is like ace of spades. And then we have ride with pride. And I be on my witch shit, so I feel like this is very it. And then there is the only thing I'm fucking is stupid. I feel like for this one, this was my first choice. It's valid because legitimately, just like the very famous, or for those who actually know aces exist and like respect our boundaries, it's a well-known thing that aces will say like, I'd rather eat cake than actually have sex. So I feel like this would be very specific where it says the only thing I'm fucking is stupid, because I would rather fuck stupid, literal entity of stupid, before you catch me fucking any of your weaponized incompetent sons. So what y'all think? We going with the ace chord, I am valid? Are we going with the only thing I'm fucking is stupid? Are we going with asexual pirate is not interested in your booty? Or are we going with some witch bitch shit with ride with pride? So y'all vote and tell me what y'all think it is. And then I'll select it, put it on my phone case, and that's just the life that I'm living. Happy Sunday. It's snowing out here, which honestly is interesting because like the week before I was like to my friend, I was like, look, climate change is really tearing us asses up because this is the Northeast. It should be blizzard on blizzard on blizzard. It should be snow on snow on snow. It should be ridiculously congested and gross outside. But like for the last 5 years, it's just been like maybe a little twinkle, maybe a couple of shakes, a couple of sprinkles, but it hasn't really been like, oh, we got to bring out the shovel. And today, this morning, God said, bring out the shovels because it is snowing, and that's why my ass is inside the house. Peace.